Hey guys, it's Matt, welcome to Speed Tutor and welcome to Made with Unity Mondays for the 4th of October 2021, and this is where I feature all the best things found in Unity, whether that's games, visual effects, custom content and so much more. I'll put all the links in the description for you to check them out, and be sure to send me any awesome creations and you've got a chance to feature in next week's episode. Be sure to throw a like on this video because it would really help me out. Number 1 is Jacob Dzwinel, and he's got a game made by just him called Midnight Fight Express. User Tim Surratt has got an interactive 3D pixel art with PBR materials for mud, grass, vegetation. Mostly Good user has a procedural effects that you can use for your magic. Six Thorns has a grass burn visual effects test. Farrokh Abda has got some beautiful scenery for the game he will finish one day. Shawnbeckt TP has just launched their unicorn fighting game called Unicycles. The Hypervisor is showing you how to make shockwaves. Fee of Trust has got the first bridge builder game. User Kreo_music has got their character that looks a little bit in trouble. Sea Salt Crackers has got a graph script which allows you to morph character values in real time. LJFMX has got a GPU fluid system. Game Atomic Games has got a new look at their game with a super sweet combat system. Clip Summer has got a slash and shoot work in progress. Sean the Miller's at it again with some flight boosts and so much more. Virtual James Harrison has got a virtual reality magic game, and it does look special. Fairchild_670 has got a work in progress for their swimming with the robot friend. Ananas Studio has got their released DunDun VR game for absolutely free. Stig C has shared scared and excitement for showcasing their new game. User Nukefist has got some impacts combat which is so slick. Born in a Bottle has got 3 years of work in this FTL meets Overcooked game in space. Zabul has got their first cinematic trailer made in just 3 weeks. Big Root Games has 1,000 hoverpops swarming your home base all at once. Could it get a little bit laggy?